He did work at Warner Brothers though and did some really cool shit there.
That's awesome. How does he? What does he do? It like, I mean,
He's a waiter.
Well, yeah, but like,
Yesterday.
does he have any creepy stories about?
So yes, he just started a couple weeks ago.
Right.
But yesterday, he said there was a wedding at Cracker Barrel.
A wedding at Cracker Barrel?
These two people got married. They both work at Cracker Barrel. And they got married in Cracker Barrel. Well, they had their reception there.
Oh,
Can you
damn.
imagine? So he's like, and you can't make reservations for Cracker Barrel. It's like whatever, like a chain restaurant.
Right.
And it's not like a bit, you know. So this like party of like 30 people arrives, and they're all dressed up, wearing their gown, their wedding gown.
Oh god.
They like look really nice, and he's like, I guess they spent more money on her dress than like thinking about a reception, because having a reception at Cracker Barrel is like
Really not.
He said it was so bizarre. Like he was just like, yeah, they were just like going for it with the biscuits and the cornbread.
I don't know. That sounds kind of tasty.
For your wedding reception?
I mean, whatever. It's like
kind of sweet. They like both worked there. They fell in love there.
They fell in love at Cracker Barrel.
They must really.
They're gonna be able to tell their kids that their kids are on this planet because of Cracker Barrel.
Yes. And that's when
that's really a
they're
beautiful
gonna
thing.
like have their kid at Cracker Barrel, or the kid's gonna be conceived at.
Ew! Oh, gross.
Under the table.
Under the table.